Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Office Shapes to create art as well as give you tips in Word. Hope you're having a good day or night. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spring. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, and we choose this curve icon. And all you do is you click with your left mouse button and you'll change directions. So here's the first one. It's going to curve. Hit the left mouse button and just keep going like this. Okay, that's and then I'm going to hit escape. Now I go here into format shape. You can also right click and choose format shape at the bottom. What I'm going to do is for the line, I'm going to give it about, I would say, 4.75, and that's good. Then I'm going to go gradient line. It's going to change it. And these ones here, I'm going to just change it to gray. Okay, and I'm just going to also change this to fixed position so it's easier to move. All right, okay, so let's just see here. I'm going to also go, before we do anything with the color, I'm just going to go into the top bevel. I'm going to select this one, soft round. Okay, so we have our spring. You can do a lot nicer job than I did. I just did a quick one here. Okay, this one I'm going to make darker, maybe a bit darker than that, like that. Next one, like that. This one, like so, and then last one is white. And you can just move them around to get them to the color you want. I think even, I don't know about that last one, you can change it how you like. But that's the spring. I'm going to change this one a little bit lighter. All right. Now the other thing you can do is you can go into material and just change materials. And as well lighting. Get a different effect here. I'm going to leave mine as that one. And just going to expand it a little bit. Or not expand it, sorry, bring it in a little bit more. And then for the shape outline, you can either go here or just go into this line part here. I'm just going to bring it down a bit. Yeah, like so. And of course you can copy these once you have it the way you like it. Copy. Paste them. You can make a whole bunch of different kinds. And then as well increase the spring. That. Paste. Yeah, there's a lot you can do with it. Thanks for watching.